Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to link EA account to Twitch. For that what you need to do is simply open twitch.tv on your browser, then click on settings over here. After that go to connections, then look for Twitch. If it is not here, then you need to go to another browser, another tab, open EA account. Now log into it, and after that click on connected accounts over here, then go below and click on Twitch. After that it will ask you for link your Twitch account. Simply click on continue. Now it will open in a new tab. Here you need to sign in. Check, it's telling link your EA accounts to Twitch, so simply click on link accounts option, and after that your account will be linked. Now you can see that Twitch has been linked to EA. So these are the methods that you can follow to link your EA account to Twitch. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.